Hi everyone and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll be doing a gorgeous tribal tattoo on a kind of blooming background. It's something that's super trendy right now, so I thought I'd give it a go. Yep, let's get cracking. Okie dokie, so to start this design, I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 layers of this gorgeous pink called Chatterbox. So I'm going to apply 2 thin layers all over the nail and we'll carry on with our design. So I've got these 2 gorgeous layers cured over here, and what I'm going to do next is just apply a thin layer of blooming gel, because I'm going to have like a orange dot in the middle that just disperses under that tattoo, which is what everyone seems to be doing on this trend. So I thought, why not? It looks quite cool actually when you have a full-on set ready. This color takes me back to my childhood. I don't know if anyone here knows. Well, this chewing gum used to be called bazooka in Israel, but it's like a chewing gum that's exactly in this color. And then it was wrapped in a joke. And then you used to like read the joke out and then have the chewing gum. And it was so cool. I just want to eat this nail. So I'm going to be using Papaya, which is a gorgeous orange. And I'm just going to literally apply a dot in the center just here, and then I'll let it bloom. So we've got this layer here. Look how gorgeous it is. Like a little bit of a sunburst in the middle of the nail. It's quite cute. So I've just applied some Series Black on the palette, and now I'm gonna start mapping out this tribal tattoo. So wish me luck. So I'm going to start by mapping out, I suppose, something that looks like a question mark, but it's not a question mark. Do you know what I mean? It's something.
It's like a question mark.
Yeah, just painted on the opposite side. Just like so. And then I'm gonna carry on this question mark and just kind of get it to spiral slightly just over here. I'm now going to create a couple of lines coming out of this shape that we just drew. I suppose I'm gonna add another line. I've got a design that I'm working from, but I don't want to copy the same thing exactly, so I'm kind of, you know, just make it a little bit more Steffi, right? So I've got a line here, and I'm gonna start working on the lines that I've already painted and just get them slightly thicker. So I'm adding more black. I'm gonna add another line over here probably. Just like that. And I'm gonna thicken it as well. What do you think, Drew? Should I add a line coming up here or down here?
I think going up. The other
Going
way.
up. You were right.
Oh yeah, that's made it.
That extra.
That nail was nothing until you added that line.
Cheers, Drew. Wow, I really, really love it. I love it. I'm gonna use our Urban Graffiti Top Coat to seal in this design. And man, that looks good. You know, when you look at tribal tattoos, you actually think, oh my god, they're quite tricky.
Yeah, yeah.
But they're quite like similar. They have the same properties, like they have spiral like lines and then some kind of branches coming out of them. So it looks quite cool. And this is the final look. How gorgeous is this nail? Honestly, so simple, but like it's just out there, you know? It's one of those nails. Oh, I love it. I want to get my nails done now. Like this.
No, it looks really good.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, and like I said, if you rotate the position of this tattoo and have like just the edges of it at the top or at the bottom, and then have all the nails like this, honestly, it looks insane. It's really, really cool. But yeah, super quick one. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys, today. As usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care. I think about Colgate too much.
I'll just do the black. You've got a real issue with toothpaste, you haven't you? And into flavored ice cream.